Now that we've got the basic formatting, publishing, and general information down, we're going to want to take a look at some of the more rich features that Blogger offers. To begin with, we're going to take a look at comments. So go ahead and click on the Comment tab along the submenu, and you'll come to the Comments page. Now, I want to talk a little bit about comments and what they are and what some of their advantages and disadvantages are. First of all, comments are a great way to allow people to provide feedback to posts that you make. So for example, let's say you write a post about women in computing and you would like to find out what other people think about that. So people could comment to that post and give you their opinions, and each of those comments would be published along with your entry so that there's a whole list of comments along with your entry, and it becomes a far more interactive process there if you have the comments. But there are some downsides to commenting. One thing is that you never know who's going to leave a comment. You can have some control, and we'll see how to do that in just a bit. But for the most part, if you leave comments open, people can come in and say whatever they want and start, flame wars, which I'm sure you've heard of, where people, get into arguments. And, if you don't want that sort of thing on your site, if you think that it's unprofessional or doesn't represent the kind of thing you're looking for, then comments might not be the best choice for you. Also, it's important to understand that the way Blogger works is that it offers a commenting system that's fairly limited. Again, it's a free service, so it's nice that they even offer the commenting, which was something that was not available prior to this new Blogger release. You could add on comments using different services, but now it's integrated into the actual software, and that makes it easier for you should you want to implement them. This is a place where actually Blogger and some of the more robust blogging tools, such as movable type or WordPress, come into play because they actually have far more tools and ability to customize the way your comments look, the way you can make the templates to fit your design, which you really can't do on Blogger, the way you can manage something called comment spam. Imagine that. If you think you have a lot of spam in your email, there are people out there who will spam your comments. So you will get the drug spam and all that stuff, that you get in your email will come into your comment system. And it becomes very frustrating to kind of keep up with that. So if you have a very popular site, you're probably a high target for things like flame wars and comment spam and things like that. So you have to think this through. A lot of times, maybe the best thing to do is just determine whether you want to give it a try, and you can then always change, which is one of the nice things about Blogger. You're not committed to either having them or not having them. So here, if we're looking in the comments section, the first thing to do is to go ahead and decide whether you want to show or hide comments. If you have existing comments, let's say you've already set up Blogger and people have commented to your post, if you choose to hide the comments, that means nothing gets deleted. All of that is kept, but it just isn't shown on the page. Whereas if you haven't set anything up, as most of you are going through this with me, if you want comments, you leave show. If you don't want them, then go ahead and click hide. So I actually want comments. I want to show you how that works eventually, so we'll keep it on show for now. So go ahead and make sure that show is clicked, and that means that you're ready to set other features about your comment system.